In our Care Pimpama's dementia ward, residents are being transported into a new world.
So let us know what you're seeing, Marion.
Bright yellow
coral.
From ticking off a bucket list item on the Great Barrier Reef to walking the streets of Germany or London, virtual reality is helping residents relive old memories too.
It's very easy to do. Germany was very good. It's got some lovely shops. Oh, really lovely.
That's absolute joyful to see people reconnecting with their memories.
Arcare's residence manager Vicki Cain says the new technology is providing a much-needed escape.
You felt like you were there. Yeah. It's great.
The last 2 years have been particularly isolating.
We really weren't expecting to see the results with people with dementia. That's probably been the game changer for us.
I think it just gave people who'd pretty much been in lockdown or isolated from family and friends that sense of being able to still enjoy the world.
The project was made possible through a philanthropy grant led by the Queensland University of Technology. After a successful trial at 3 aged care centres in Queensland, the university plans to expand the project to Victoria, and they've published an online toolkit so any centre can give it a go.
Actually, right now, virtual reality isn't really, people don't use it all that often, and so it's wonderful to have an older person be able to say, I've done something that you haven't done.
Melanie Vujkovic, ABC News.